No ice cream sound boy. No ice cream sound. I don't want no ice cream sound. It is too soft for me. I don't want no ice cream sound. It is soft.
You think I joke?
Shades were bumped and drawn way down tight from within the dim light bands. You said I was hungry. Oh, I'm in love.
Talk to them, Dennis, bro.
Silhouette, 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 silhouette.
Landing a warrior shell, it's a good look.
Took out one and back your house. Baby, last night all the shades were bumping and low. Way down from within the daylight. Look at
Line up to say 6'5" big bad sound. Look at the little power sound over there, so go on away, I swear. Little friend, it's the international one. Juggle me a juggle. It's not a war. A treasure force is a unity fest.
dreadlocks get living at tenement yard. Dreadlocks get living at tenement yard. Too much what you want. Too much what you want. Dreadlocks get living at tenement yard. Dreadlocks get living at tenement yard. Too much what you want. Too much what you want. Dreadlocks get living privacy. Anything the world can see.
Scorpion big up. Hear me as you know. Never make you know when I got Okala, how you get for born. That's how you have to tell you. Pussy. You know what this not play, not play. You know what this one play? An experience play. Beer vibes, I respect you. Because out of every sound where they give it time out of your minutes, sky, all away from Orlando. Love that something, and that's why we drive come. We could have there we are and do anything else. But we come support this. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something around here right now. This is some boy has broke them face. And I talk about my sound bad, that they sound bad, that they sound bad. The whole of we love it, that's why we have it. Sing! game program style. Hold on a second. Alright. Drop some. Yeah, working. So we got on that road and look at it. Ladies and gentlemen, the Crown Prince of Reggae Music. And the Crown Prince of Reggae Music. I'm telling you something. In our life, he's a father. I'm going to bring him. When he first learned to walk, he walk go to the sound system. See mother they ask him. He walk go to the sound. But if there were 1 bedroom apartment, you understand, with about 10 bass box in our head as a baby. So you know what this something about. The whole of over there, so today they come on the sound fest and support us up here. I'm telling you one thing. Death is a must for the whole away. But how we go? And when we live in, support that something we are going here so. Because the sound system culture is getting out. The man them with the laptop, with the $10,000 dub, and them a chat about a fuck we are not. One amplifier they carry come and dance. But we tell us something around here. Question! Lord, let me tell you something. Before me and your father right as a son up, so where you are doing right now, you don't even know where you are doing.
I make your father proud.
Where you are doing. You see the stand up on that soul and I pray for every big people when they are so. Youth, let me tell you, you don't know where you are doing. You see when you go down the road.
Why for the dumb?
I remember when your father started up on the song and play a song, you don't realize what you did do. I said, grooming and grooming the right way. Because you see this, bigger than me and you and everybody over there. So, because they said, music alone shall live the whole of the world left this. So who don't want to believe it? Dynamite. No. Big up yourself, youth. Thumbs up to you 1,000,000 times. I'm not going to see you on YouTube and all these things. Big up yourself, youth. Listen what your father said to you. But make sure, take your book. Take your book. I see.